Welcome back to the channel. How's everybody doing? I got a problem with my Ninja 650. I got a slight problem with her, and it's totally my fault. I think I destroyed my Ninja 650. I think so. I'm being dramatic, okay? I'm kind of being dramatic. Okay, so basically what's going on is every single time now, even if my bike is in neutral and my peg is down, the bike will not start. So I literally have to get on the bike, put the peg up, and then get it started that way compared to before. So before, if the bike was in neutral, I could just simply click, just give it power and she works. Now, if the peg is down, then doesn't matter if I'm in neutral, the bike won't start. So I don't know what that problem is, and the reason I'm saying it's my fault because she needs to go in for service. Now I'm at the point where, okay, well, riding season's almost over, so I don't know if I want to take her in for service. Maybe I should just wait till next year. I might do it this year, like at the end of the year, considering I ride year round anyway. Whenever I get a chance, I might just do that, take her in for service. I'm pretty sure she needs an oil change as well. Plus, I noticed that my clutch cable it feels loose to me. I don't know. So that might be something I want to get them to look at. But the bike is definitely having a hard time starting up. So whenever I start it up, it feels like she's kind of choking, I guess. Like it doesn't. I don't know. Maybe I should pull over and show you guys. That's what I'm gonna do actually. There we go. I'm going to do this. I'm going to stop right here, shut her down, and hopefully she starts up. Because if not, this is all your fault because I'm trying to show it to you. Something just fell from it. Anyway, so let's oh my God. Let's get back in gear. There we go. First gear. All right. I shut the bike off. Let's turn her off. Okay? So she's off, as you guys can see. And then if I turn her on, and let's put the bike in neutral. Okay? So we don't have to... There. So she's in neutral. I'll put the peg down, and oh, what the fudge? Okay, now she started. What? Okay, so that's what it was. So if my peg is down, my bike is in neutral, unless I pull the clutch in, I can't start her. So I must pull the clutch in, but no. See, now she's not starting up. See? So I have to put the peg up. Oh my gosh, now I can't oof, she's having a hard time starting, man. So, yeah, there's that. And like I said, that's basically what I'm talking about. I don't know what I did to the bike. My poor baby I don't know why that's happening. I'm pretty sure it's something simple. It could be just an adjustment of something, blah, blah, blah. If you are at all familiar with this channel, I don't know nothing about bikes, man. I'm not a mechanic. I'm not a bike mechanic. I do a lot of... damn it. I do a lot of things in my life, but I have no interest in being a bike mechanic, right? I worked really hard in my life to get to the point where I can just tell somebody, here's the mullah. You fix my shit, and I pay you shit. Well, not shit, but you know what I mean, okay? So basically, that's kind of the way I worked really hard in my life to be able to get to that point in my life. So I'm not about to go and start fixing stuff. I do clean the chain, although I'm not going to show you my chain because I'm very ashamed of how my chain looks right now. Yeah, so I'm not going to show you the chain. But I do clean the chain. I actually had the plan on doing that this weekend. So that's one thing I do actually do. I clean the chain properly. I do that like somewhat regularly. And then aside from that, I don't do anything else. I clean the bike and I clean the chain. And that's it. That's as far as the maintenance, that's all the maintenance I do. Everything else, I take it into Kawasaki and then just kind of go, okay, here's the keys. Here's the keys. You just do the thing, do that thing that would makes the bike go yay. So when the bike is smiling and she's happy, then that means you guys did a good job. So I always consider it like taking the bike for its spa day. That's what it is. Do you guys work on your own bike, or do you guys get it, actually like take it in for servicing? I'm curious. But yes, I am a disappointment to the entire motorcycle world because I do not actually do my own work on a bike. I'm sorry. I'm a bad motorcycle dude. Cool. Yeah, you turn now. But yeah, so I mean, like I said, there is the whole thing where she's definitely having a hard time starting. I don't exactly know what it is. I even got to the point where the battery itself might be a problem. Mainly because I haven't ridden this bike. Sometimes they leave the bike forever and I don't put it on the battery tender or anything like that. So I mean, if it's as simple as the battery, just change out the battery, that's fine. But it still doesn't answer the question of why the bike won't start when it's in neutral, or just certain times the bike won't start. There's definitely something off, and the best way for me to get it fixed is by asking Kawasaki to please look at it and take my money. But I don't like the not starting part. Like that one kind of gets me a little freaked out, because if for any reason I want to stop, like let's say I want to stop for a cup of coffee, right? And then I'm really worried that I won't be able to restart the bike, and that would suck. Considering like sometimes I'm like an hour away from home, and it's like, oh crap, that would not be good. And I don't feel like towing the bike. That's not my style. So that one kind of weirds me out a little bit. There's that. And then I don't know if it's normal, but it seems like my engine's always running hard. Okay, wait. If I'm like this in the freaking traffic, obviously my engine's gonna run hot. Now, normally what I used to do is, if I just pulled up, the light turned red, and I know a lot of the intersections here, and some of these are like freaking and take forever, I just used to shut the engine down, right? Just kill the engine, bam, done. Now I can't even do that because I'm worried that if I can't restart the bike, I'm gonna be pissing people off. Like, see, I can feel the heat coming from the bike. Like, my gauge tells me she's running quite hot. You know what? I'm gonna go down night here because I need to get this bike to keep moving. I'm so stupid. This is a good place to get caught by the popo. Why am I doing the silly stuff like that? Jeez. Oh, I know, because I haven't been riding for a while and I miss being silly. Whew. Oh my goodness, I love riding. What is this place? Let's go down this way. Now we're just exploring. I'm basically just going anywhere and everywhere as long as I don't have to. People run red all the time. As long as I don't have to come to a full stop, I'm perfectly fine. I just don't want to stop. I just want to dump fries. The street name here is Dumfries. Dumfries. I totally forgot about that freaking name. Okay. Let's go this way. I normally don't bring my bike into like these kind of neighborhoods, like the quiet neighborhoods, because she is obnoxiously freaking loud. And I'm one of those people, I have a little bit of consideration for the general public, so I don't like to bring the bike into quiet neighborhoods. What do you get? Ooh, that's a nice house. I like the houses that have like a beautiful front, like beautiful area to park the car, like in the front of the house. I'm not the kind that just likes to park the car like, in a back garage or something. I would like to see like a nice, oh, that's so sweet. Sweet little old lady cutting the grass. Ooh, the smell of fresh grass. Oh, okay, that smells good. Okay, I'm essentially back on the freaking street that I got off of. such a dork. I am such a dork. She's not even looking. Okay, go ahead now. Thank you. I said I'm looking right at her. Are you gonna look? Are you gonna look? Are you gonna look? What are you gonna do? That's the way the world is, man. That's just the way the world is. Okie dokie. Well, I'm gonna end this video. I just want to let you guys know, yeah, my bike has been kind of finicky, acting up and stuff. So she needs to go in for service. She needs to be taken care of. She needs a spa day. Nice jeans. She needs a spa day. So yeah. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you hit that like button because YouTube algorithms are a total douchebag, sucky things. And if I want the video to be shared and I want YouTube to actually suggest this video to other people who might like this video, I need you guys to push that damn like button. If you are, however, new here, please consider hitting the subscribe button if you had any sort of entertainment. And then I'll catch you guys on the next one, because why not? Okay. But that's, by the way, that my wife started the whole why not thing. And now I'm stuck with it. Alright. Okay. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one. Goodbye. See ya.